This was a fun and challenging game for me to create. I took some inspiration from a few games such as Kirby and the Forgotten Land, Super Mario 3D World, and Wario Land 4. The challenge for me was to create a project in 3D because prior to this I had only done 2D games. I had some challenges designing my player model and creating the cloud effect scene when the model jumps or moves, but I'm happy with how the end result turned out. I wanted the levels to progress in difficulty with a challenging bonus level that the player can try. To succeed in my game, the player takes Robo through obstacles to successfully activate the timer and then must return to the start, ahead of the clock expiring.